Hello. We're going to read from typewriters to computers. And as we're reading, I want you to think about why a computer is better than a typewriter when writing a story. At the end of our story, you're going to need to write why the computer would be better. So be thinking about the facts. This is the story of the typewriter and the computer. People used typewriters long before they used computers. When the typewriter was invented, it was very big. It was also hard to use. People could write words faster than it took to type them on the big typewriter. But by 1874, there was a better typewriter. And on this typewriter, people could type words faster than they could write them by hand. Do you understand how the typewriter works? Look at the picture. There are keys, type, and an ink ribbon. The keys move the type. The type hits the ink ribbon, and letters are made on the paper. In the 1920s, a new typewriter was made. It was called an electric typewriter. People could type faster using it. They gathered in stores to buy one. Soon, people demanded a machine that helped them even more. In the 1960s, some of these people started buying computers. Just like typewriters, computers were once really big, but people believed computers could be smaller. One problem with typewriters was that people could not see what they had typed until it was on the paper. When people made mistakes, they sometimes had to type the entire page again. This made them furious. More and more began to use computers. They were impatient with typewriters. By the 1990s, most people had stopped using typewriters and used computers instead. Now you know what came before computers. Do you think people would have invented computers if they had not invented typewriters first? It's impossible to know. Here is a timeline of the typewriter. Both typewriters and computers have made it possible for people to write, work, and have fun. Think about this question. Why is a computer better than a typewriter for writing a story? Use details from your book to answer this question. Mrs. Heck has restated it for you. A computer is better than a typewriter for writing a story because. Go back and use those pages where it talks about the typewriter and the problems people had with them.